Jay Pendleton, MedTech Voice, coming at you from Nashville, Tennessee for the Anterior Hip Foundation. One meeting focused on one approach to a large population of patients. Let's go check out what it's all about.
From its inception, anterior hip replacement has inherently disrupted what traditionally we thought was the only way to do hip replacement. So it's amazing to see all the evolutions and all the things that are coming that we have now, but also come in the future with enabling technologies, new techniques. It's inspiring to meet the other faculty and surgeons here who are doing these things at their centers and then sharing their experiences here.
Our goal is really to create an educational opportunity and an enthusiastic opportunity to embrace a community of surgeons who want to do anterior approach and want to get better at anterior approach. It's the most inspiring meeting I get to go to.
These guys are doing amazing things, and this meeting is a who's who of anterior hips. I mean, from all over the world.
It was hard to imagine that anterior approach was going to catch on like it did when I started teaching it. And I thought, well, it looks like it's going to have at least a niche place, but then it became evident. I thought, we're going to change hip surgery.
You need to be at this meeting. Hope to see you next year, Anterior Hip Foundation 2026.